Today I'm sharing 9 easy and profitable side hustles for UGC and content creators that are looking to expand their income streams. Whether you're new to creation or you're a seasoned veteran, these ideas can help you expand your income streams while doing what you love. Stick around till the end for a bonus side hustle that's often overlooked, and don't forget to caress that like and follow button so YouTube knows you care. Side hustle 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, simply put, is just promoting a product and earning a commission for the promotion of that product on the sale or purchase of it. Traditionally, affiliate marketing was reserved mostly for influencers. But as social media has grown and expanded over the years, affiliate marketing is open to almost everyone now. There's a multitude of programs out there. ClickBank has a ton of affiliate programs. ShareSale, and more commonly right now, TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop truly is the money winner when it comes to affiliate sales in the entire sphere of content creation right now. Although it is a little harder to get started right off the bat, because to start a TikTok Shop for creators, you have to have a minimum of 5,000 followers. There is a workaround, but that workaround is getting a little bit more difficult to do because TikTok's catching on. But if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, make sure you pick a product or niche that's something you would enjoy and or use the product yourself. It'll make a difference when it comes down to making the content for it and whether or not that's going to produce sales for you. With that, a lot of UGC collaborations, when the brands are reaching out to you, they'll have an option for affiliate marketing. Aside from just getting paid to make the video for their ad generation, a lot of times they'll give you an affiliate link so you can post to your own social medias and generate some extra dollars from sales just promoting their products. And to tie into that, side hustle number 2, sponsored content or whitelisting. And simply put, that's when a brand wants to work with you, but you post to your own social media. So on top of just the UGC collaboration you get from the brand, you also get a percentage for whitelisting that on your own personal social medias. And they pay for that basically ad spot within your following to show that content to your audience. There's a lot of platforms out there who do a lot of whitelisting like this. Aspire IQ and Upfluence are just a couple that offer whitelisting, which is a percentage on top of the normal collaboration. So that's just a little extra per month in your pocket. Side hustle number 3, selling digital products. You can create your own digital products such as ebooks. You can hustle your photography on the side for UGC. Canva templates is another popular one. If you have a really good portfolio template that converts and performs, you can turn that template into a digital good that you can sell. You can use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to promote these products and host them to make the sales a lot easier for the customers who want to purchase them. You can also make ebooks or different various guides on content creation to sell to other creators that are looking to maybe break into something they don't quite know much about, but you have a lot of skill in that area. So you can turn that into a digital product and market it to your following. It may not be a lot in the beginning, but diversifying your income with something like this can just be that little extra that makes a difference. Side hustle number 4, online courses. Depending on what your skills are and what you're good at, you can develop an entire online course to market to your audience or market to your niche audience. If you have a particular skill set that you know you can teach to others, you can use this to generate a course and put that course together and use platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, or even School now to host your online course to teach other people the knowledge that you have and share that. And your online course doesn't have to be based around content creation. You can make an online course about almost anything. We all have individual skill sets and knowledge and things that we're all good at. Maybe something like you're a great crocheter. You could build an entire online course around teaching people how to crochet and then monetize the products in which they create and sell online. Maybe you're a good motivational speaker. You could teach an entire course on how to teach people to properly convey a message in storytelling for public speaking. Those are just a few examples of how you could put together an online course in a couple of places that you can host those. Side hustle number 5, freelance creator. Maybe you're a really good editor. Maybe you're really good at graphic design. Maybe you make really good YouTube thumbnails. You can offer these creation services to other businesses and creators as well, using places like Fiverr and Upwork to market your freelance. This is actually a really good way to make a pretty substantial side income within the content creation sphere in and of itself. Because myself, I can't count how many times I've needed a really good UGC editor because I've gotten so busy that I can't edit everything myself. So freelancing these creation services on the side because you have a special skill in one of those areas is another great way to make a pretty substantial profit on the side in your content creation journey. Side hustle number 6, print on demand. While this is pretty well known throughout the entire industry, it's still noteworthy because it's still a valid side hustle option. Selling custom designed merchandise without holding inventory, there's still so much room to profit within the print on demand industry. Especially if you're expanding out into the realm of your own merchandise, this is the most economical way to diversify and handle a scenario like this. I won't go into companies because there's so many print on demand companies out there now that it really comes down to what your needs are. So doing that research on your own to find a print on demand company that works best for you is the route to take. But I believe anyone with a moderate social media following has kind of delved into the merch arena and has researched this to some degree. So if that's some step that you're working towards, because merch is it just really is another good side hustle, even if it's a small income. $200, $300, $400, $500, even $1,000 a month is still a great income for what equates to not a whole lot of time because the print on demand company is handling most of the work for you. Side hustle number 7, photography and video B-roll sales. As a UGC creator, you take a lot of video and a lot of B-rolls and a lot of footage and a lot of pictures. It's just part of the game. Monetizing those extra things is a noteworthy side hustle. You can use platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. There are so many scenarios as a content creator where sometimes we just can't get the shot that we need, whether that be the geographical area we live in or the aesthetic or ambiance the brand is looking for, and we just need something that we can't physically shoot on our own, whether that be photography or video. So you can use websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and upload those videos and that B-roll, and you can monetize it that way. I personally bought lots of B-roll for videos before because that's what I needed to get the video done. So all those extra shots we're constantly taking, if they're good, high quality shots, but they're generalized in such a way that they could be used in multiple different scenarios, you can monetize that extra content. Side hustle number 8, podcasting. While this delves into a more difficult side hustle, it can still be a very profitable side hustle. Depending on your area of content creation and the niche that you're within, if you're an expert or even just an enthusiast, you can get together with other creators in your niche just to talk about what it is that you do. I know several UGC creators that host podcasts all the time, and they're highly informative. And who doesn't love listening to a good podcast when they're on a long drive? You can use this and monetize this through sponsorships, memberships, and merchandise. So if you have a niche that you're highly knowledgeable about and you're passionate about, you can get together with other creators and talk shop and turn that into a podcast. Although over time it's harder to create a full-time income from, but if you can eventually turn that into a large podcast, it is a very, very lucrative. Side hustle number 9, virtual workshops or mastermind classes. Host a live session to teach a skill or a live training. As far as that skill, that is something you would have to determine that you're good at and you're able to teach other people how to do that skill. That could be something as simple as hosting live editing sessions. Maybe people want to learn how to become a better editor and you're a great editor. You could host live sessions teaching people how to train and then further offer a recording of that live training after the fact. I've seen many creators hold workshops like this who have generated substantial revenue just through the registration fees alone, anywhere from $10, $15, $20, $25, and you get 20, 30, 50 people in a live training workshop like that, and you do it once a week, twice a month, this is another very lucrative side hustle and pretty simple to do because you can market it to the audience that you already have or the following that you already have on social media, because there's a high chance the people that are following you for a reason. So they know that you might know something they don't, and they want to learn that from you. Bonus side hustle, social media management. Some people are afraid of the camera. So social media management is a great way to get into the content creation sphere in a side hustle because you don't have to show your face. And it simply is what it states. It is managing social media accounts for other creators, brands, or even individuals. And the pay can range drastically anywhere from $500 to $5,000+ a month just to maintain someone's social media account, organize their postings, their content scheduling, engaging with their community. The degree in which you're involved and the effort that's put forth determines the wage that comes with it. I know there's a lot of brands and agencies and creative strategists out there that hire social media managers solely for the purpose of just maintaining an individual brand's account and handle all the posting to their social media. So if you have experience with running social media accounts or even just building your own brand, you can use that as social proof to get into the side hustle of social media management. You can actually even turn it into a full-time job, if not an agency that specifies just in managing other people's social media accounts. So, and with that, if you're just getting into content creation and you want to learn how to become a paid UGC creator, check out this video here.